What's happening? My name's Vince, that's Brandon. We're going on geocaching mission today. We got a little loop around Tahoe Mountain area. Oh yeah, Shasta's here too. I'll show you on the map, on the digital picture breakdown. Down the trail. This is our area for the day. We're gonna like follow this trail system, zigzag up to the peak. So the next one, between a rock and a hard place, it's a regular size, terrain 2.5, difficulty 3. Yeah, a 10-year-old placed it. It was last found like last week. What's the hint? You have to make like a lizard to get the box. Good luck.
What? Fucking 10-year-old kid slithered under something fucking poking or what?
10-year-old kid slithered. All right, we got like 0.2 miles. Hopefully we're on the right trails. It should be over there, yeah. That's only like 600 feet
No,
or
at first I
something.
thought you said 2 miles. So we follow the trail or?
Yep.
Someone walked out here with
Go for it, Shasta girl. Good dog. Says less than 500 feet. We're gonna get to a cross section that it's gonna go up to those rocks. We're gonna go down. So we just took a right down the trail and we got to a bike trails. Huge mountain biking hill around here. Looks like we're going to those rocks. 200 feet. That's a good dog. That's a good dog. So between a rock and a hard place has been here since 2005. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we passed it and just never cared, or just tried to search, didn't search hard enough. Okay, we've got to some rocks. 30 feet, 24, 21, 16. So I'm going to guess that it's underneath that piece of bark right there. I gotta take my sunglasses off. Gotta take my awesome geocaching sunglasses off.
Found it. That one's not even hidden.
I don't see it.
You will when we get out of the way.
Some slithering. No, I don't see it.
What do you mean? Up on the left. All the way to the left.
Oh, geez, it's like in the sunlight. Okay. I'm gonna film myself going up. Ooh. All right. Yep, right down there. It's definitely in between a rock.
There's a fucking mountain lion or something here.
Yeah. That's a crazy spot.
Let's see if I can get out of here now.
All right, find number 2 today. That's number 691. Oh man, can't keep track. Oh, nice cell phone.
Hello? That was for you.
Oh, it's Dory. Crystal would like that cell phone. Yeah, this is lacking right here. Not even a logbook. This is the logbook for this awesome cache.
At least he left a pin.
Man, we might have to leave a logbook page. All right, where's logbook? That's where we're setting up. Find it. Love it. You love to see it. I got keychains I can donate. Oh, let's go with the smokestacks. We're gonna put a little smokestacks keychain. Boop, boop, boop. Little donation in the box.
What's in the box?
Here, let's see that. Okay. She's right there. Out of the way enough.
Right.
Yep, got the find today. Good stuff. Off to the next. That is 0.3 miles away, and it is 0.3 miles away, called Core Values. It was placed for Geo Tahoe 2015. It's Mount Talac. It's Pyramid Peak back there with the snow. And that's Angora Peak. We're gonna come to a fork up here. I can see the sign right there. We're gonna continue forward. Hashtag geocaching Tahoe. Hashtag Tahoe geocaching.
Hashtag pack your trash out.
Peace till next time. Thanks for watching.